Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to edit table rows or records in SQL Server Management Studio. We know that we can use update, delete, and insert statements to perform this action. But in this video, we are going to use the visual editor in SSMS to perform these actions. Let's open the SSMS and connect to one of the SQL Server instances. Once we are connected, then we'll go to the database. In my case, I have sales database, and here I will be going to the salesperson table. Let's go ahead and select some records, and we can see that we have salesperson first name and last name and ID. Now, one thing I would like to change the name. Here I have AMIR, that's the spelling of Amir are incorrect, so I'm going to make the correction. I will need AAMIR, so there would be two A's in front of it. Next, I might want to delete one of the record and insert one record as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Right click on the table, and then we will be going to the edit top 20 rows. In your case, you might have edit top 200 rows. That totally depends upon your SSMS settings. So let's go ahead and see that. Now the editor is open, and we can change the criteria for the select. So click here, show SQL pane, and we can see that it is selecting the top 20 records. So we can remove this if we would like to see all the records, and execute the query again. We can see 11 records are there. So actually there are 10 records, but ID is 11. So we are fine here. Think about that. This is where we would like to make a change. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this part and retype Amir. And you can see that the pencil sign is there. It means we are in process of editing. We are making the changes. Once I enter it, the change will be committed. Now if I will select and execute, I will see the spellings are correct. Now if I would like to go ahead and delete this record, I need to right click and go to the delete, and then I will say yes, delete it. Fine, that record is deleted. Now we are done. And here, let's say if I would like to insert a record, I can go ahead and insert. I'm going to go ahead and insert number 12 in the ID, and let's say we will say test record here and test, and hit enter. You see that a new record is inserted. So this is how you will be visually inserting, deleting, and updating the records in SQL Server Management Studio. So always you will click on the table and go to edit top 20 or whatever the rows, and then you will be able to make the changes to the table visually. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in next video.